Here's the day you want to move on silver this week. Look, this is not financial advice, but the day you want to move on silver is very clear this week. Check this out. If you're interested in gold, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away a 10th ounce of gold. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. Click that link. Take home that gold. Now, look at this. This is from FX Street. Silver just rallied to its highest level since 2011. We're talking about a price closing in on $39, $40 an ounce. Now, why does that matter? Because the markets are pricing in almost a 90% chance of a Fed rate cut in September, and that's huge. Traders are already front-running it. But here's a catch. The move doesn't happen all at once. It builds. It brews. And the middle of the week, this week, Wednesday, that's when the technicals line up with the headlines. Forget Friday closes. Forget Monday opens. Wednesday is where the breakout pressure could snap like a rubber band right to explode. And if that resistance at $40 hits again midweek, we're not talking small gains. We're talking fireworks. We're talking momentum and panic buying all at once. Check this out from FX Street's inflation update. They're showing the core PCE inflation data came in hot, holding steady at 2.9%. That might not sound like much. But here's the deal. If inflation ticks up even slightly, it makes the Fed hesitate. And guess what? That hesitation usually hits the tape early in the week. Then the real money responds by the middle of the week. By Wednesday, markets will have digested the numbers, traders will have repositioned, and silver could whip in the opposite direction of what everyone is expecting. Most people think the instant the inflation data drops is when you move. No. The setup actually ripens midweek when the action is clearer, and that's where smart money moves in. And that means Wednesday could be the one day where hesitation turns into conviction, and conviction turns into a tidal wave of buying for this metal. Check this out from Economic Times. Over in India, silver just hit a record high of 117,000 plus per kilogram, and analysts are saying it could climb as high as 200,000 in the next 3 years. That's not retail hype. That's industrial demand. That's solar. That's electronics. It's global supply chains pulling silver out of circulation. Now, here's why this matters for us here in the States. Those overseas moves don't hit the U.S. market instantly. It trickles in. And by midweek of this week, the ripple effect starts showing up in Western price action. That's why I'm telling you, don't wait until the headlines hit CNN or Bloomberg. The wave starts Wednesday quietly, then rolls louder and faster into Thursday and Friday. This isn't financial advice, but the bottom line is everyone's looking at Friday or next month or next year. But if you're watching silver right now, circle Wednesday on your calendar. And if you're interested in gold, click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month, they're giving away a 10th ounce of gold, 10th ounce every month. Click that link, be the next winner on that list, take home that gold, and I'll see you on the next one.